First, a quick look at what's buzzing in real estate right before we get down to decoding property markets city by city.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has said that the current form of land acquisition law is cumbersome and time has come for a relook into some aspects of the law. Speaking at the World Economic Forum's India Economic Summit, Arun Jaitley voiced optimism that the measures initiated by the government will soon show results. He said that the land acquisition is one of the difficult areas.
One which poses a difficult challenge is that procedurally, the law lays down a very complicated procedure for acquisition of land. And therefore, if acquisition of land was made complicated, almost impossible, then the growth process itself gets stalled. And this law has made it extremely complicated. Now, the previous government thought that perhaps this law, because it makes it very complicated with a section of the population, would be extremely popular and it could be a vote-fetching device. Now, that doesn't seem to have happened. Now that that conclusion has been established, I think time has come, at least at the second part of this law, to have a relook.
The Securities Appellate Tribunal has allowed DLF to redeem Rs 1,806 crore worth of mutual funds investments. The developer had earlier appealed for an interim relief from the tribunal to redeem its funds locked in mutual funds and bonds. In an order last month, market regulator SEBI had barred the firm and some of its executives from assessing capital markets for a period of 3 years. Home prices have appreciated in 18 major cities by up to 3.9% in April-June as compared to the previous quarter, while the property rates fell in 6 cities including Delhi, according to National Housing Bank. In the national capital, housing prices dropped by 3% during the first quarter of this fiscal compared with January-March 2014. Maximum price increase was witnessed in Pune by 3.9%, while Chandigarh saw highest fall of 4.4%, according to NHB residents. The appreciation in property prices in major cities tracked by NHB comes at a time when the domestic real estate sector is reeling under a lingering slowdown for last 2 to 3 years. Cost of renting in Mumbai, Pune and other tier 2 cities of Maharashtra may soon go up as the state government has proposed a hike in stamp duty on leave and license agreements. The proposed stamp duty structures take into account the market value in comparison to the total gains the licensor makes. For residential premises, the proposed duty is divided into 2 slabs depending on the tenure. The current stamp duty is irrespective of the period of LLA or market value of the premises being rented. If market experts are to be believed, this could worsen the housing situation in a city like Mumbai. According to them, this is being done just so that the government can earn more revenues. Experts say that homeowners and tenants would avoid registering the deal in order to avoid stamp duty totally. Additionally, corporates looking for long-term commercial leave and license arrangements might consider shifting to other states with better tax environment. Mahindra Lifespace Developers has launched a new residential project, The Sirenes, in Maharashtra, making its foray into the weekend homes segment. The project, spread across 12 acres and located at Alibag in Raigad district, marks the company's entry into the weekend home segment. Mahindra Lifespace will develop 49 villas in the initial phase, with a combination of 3 and 4 BHK patio and courtyard villas. The villas will be designed by SAV, a well-known architectural and design studio based out of London. The project offers an array of luxury amenities, including a spa, an open deck for yoga and meditation, a swimming pool, a putting green, and a multi-cuisine restaurant.